Wow, it's dinner time. It's dinner time. I love it dinner time.
After a long time, I decided to try a slightly different recipe for my fish curry. The twist was really small but made a lot of difference. I'm sure a lot of you must be already familiar with the recipe, but for me it was the first time. I fried the surmai and kept it aside like we usually do. Now let me tell you how I prepared the gravy. I added a tadka of mustard seeds and curry leaves, added some roughly chopped onions and garlic pods as we are anyway going to grind it at last. Added a teaspoon of ginger paste, powdered coriander and cumin, turmeric, red chili powder, tomatoes and a tablespoon of salt, which you may adjust as per your taste. Saute this for some time and once it's done, keep it aside to let it cool. Add this into your blending jar with some fresh dhania leaves and grind. I have kept the texture a little coarse because that's how I wanted it to be. You may grind it into a smooth paste by adding a little water. I made it into a runny gravy by adding some water and then added the fried fish pieces to it. The meal was simple yet amazing. Such small buffets with barely a dish or two at home with family feel so fulfilling, isn't it? Homemaking has its own distinct appeal and vibe. I understand that they are mundane duties for some people, but for others like me, the satisfaction I feel from doing them far outweighs any monotony that may be connected with them. The weather outside was calling for some chai and pakoda, but since puris were already planned for dinner, we settled for some garlic bread. In recent years, the umbrella phrase homemaking has emerged to represent all of these domestic activities. To be honest, I'm not sure what to name them. All I know is that there are many such things in my daily life about which I'm thrilled, regardless of how trivial they may appear to others. Do you also add ajwain or carom seeds in the puri dough? If you haven't tried it yet, trust me, give it a try, and I warn you, the flavor it brings is super addictive.
Skills of my baby. This thing.
This super simple puri and aloo combo has some superpower, I feel. It can literally bring smile to anyone's face. Every household has its own unique recipe for their aloo ki sabzi. I would love to know about yours. Do let me know in the comment section.
Wow, it's dinner time. It's dinner time. I love it dinner time. Huh? I can wait for you. Huh?
Which plate you want? This, or this? Which one?
I want the plastic one. It's to wash.
I just washed it, no? Is it okay now?
It's not okay.
Is it too close?
It's too close.
Okay.
It's not.
Put it there.